If you rocking with me, you already know the intro. You feel me?
Hi, vlog.
There's a lot of things I never lie to you about.
It feels so good outside. It really does.
Depending on Pound Town, get what you can if you want to plan. Ooh, that rhyme. You get what I'm saying? Ooh, I'm proud to kid. It's right here.
Who do you want to message?
Girl. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Curious K. I go by Khalees. Sorry I said that wrong, so let's do this over. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Khalees. I go by Curious K. If you're new to my channel, hi. If you're not new, hey cousin. Okay, so we're at Target right now. I literally just got off of work. That's why I look like this. Tonight it's an island party. I kind of have an outfit, I kind of don't, but my friend's acting flaky. Since we're here, we are going inside to get some hygiene stuff. Also, I just want to update y'all. 600. We're at 683. We're like less than 20 followers away from being at 700 subscribers, which means we gotta come harder than ever. I need a lot of shit. Damn, my battery about to die. Hold up. Gotta get my Did I even bring my batteries? Oh, I didn't even bring my batteries. Jeez, guys, I think we might have to not record. Plus, this camera's getting hot, so I'll just record whenever I get what I get. We just got a package. We just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Violence is never the key. Remember that. I did it. I seen it. I liked it. I bought it. It is what it is. This is the tripod that everybody see on TikTok. This pen right here, we're basically getting rid of this one. We're gonna use this Apple Pencil dupe until I get the money to buy the Apple Pencil. Actually, I got the money. I just don't want to buy it. Cause who's gonna spend $150 on a pen? Until then, we're using this. It's already turned on. I'm not tripping. I'm not. Y'all see the light. Bruh, did I open this wrong? Oh. There you have it, folks. For example.
I'm tweaking.
On to the next. I really only bought this because I seen it on TikTok. I was dreading to buy it. I didn't want to buy no fake one. I wanted to buy the real one. But I got tricked into buying this. So we're gonna make the best of it. Now, why was the light on? It's my real concern. What was that all about? Okay. K-E-L-I-S-E. Okay. Khalees. Hi, we're back. Y'all wanna see my nails? Drum roll, please. Bam. Bold. I love them. I love that they're short and still cute. They're kind of heavy, but not too crazy heavy. I am about to go home to take out my hair because I do have a lash appointment at 4 p.m. I'm going out again tonight. Yo, I wish I could like take y'all to the party with me. I really wish I could because the parties be so funny. The last few parties we went to, they wasn't bad, but they wasn't like 10 out of 10. But no, I took my camera to the No Cap concert and everybody was looking at me crazy like, why she got a camera in her hand? I didn't care. I needed to get my content. I'd rather live in the moment with my friends. Majority of the time, if I'm recording, it's gonna be in my drafts. It's not gonna get posted until the next day, like until after the party, cause I gotta watch it. I don't just post right when I'm there. Like, no, that's not how I operate. If I have time in between, I'm going to go to the nail salon. If I don't, I'm still gonna go to the nail salon after the appointment because they close at 8 and we're going out late at night, like late. So everything will get done today. Fingers crossed. We are seeing Y and J. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but he sang that song part 30. I just popped a part 30. Part 60. I just popped 2 part 30s. Perky dance, baby, do my perky dance.
Perky dance, make me do my perky dance.
Yeah, he sang that song. So if it's a vibe to oh! Forgot my camera was on the steering wheel. I'm sorry, y'all. This is how I look. You see these long, beautiful locks? They're about to get snipped. Okay? We finna get cute. Bad Kenny 954. Everybody in Broward got Adidas pants. If you don't have no Adidas pants, go get you some. Even though I didn't get mine. My grandma bought me this. What is this? Bath set. I don't know where it's from. I just came home and it was in my bathroom. Real cute, real cute. Hope and pray that this is good enough. Now, if it's obvious to the point where I could just like cut it, then I'll cut it. Oh my God, I look like a Rasta guy. I look crazy, but hey. How do I look? Oh no, honey. Bro, y'all know people that have their hair like this? Tag them in the comments. I'm gonna take a picture. I feel like I like a boy. So I literally have less than 3 hours to do my hair. Okay, so this is my real hair. And this is this. Fuck. Fuck it. Fuck it, we ball. This is the hardest part. Is taking the knot out. Nah, that's not the hardest part. The hardest part I told y'all already. Which was finding the real hair. But we found it. I think it's best to unravel at the top though. But yeah, we got it. So I'm about to repeat this process all the way through. Hopefully before my lash appointment. If not, then I'll just go there just like this. I don't have no care in the world. So I'll be back. This is what I look like right about now. I am at my lash tech spot where she do lashes, and I have an abundant. Now let's talk about the tea real quick before I walk in there, because my appointment is at 4 and it's 3:51. One, I don't wear bonnets outside at all. Like, that's a no-go for me. And I know there's a lot of people that do wear bonnets outside and they don't see nothing wrong with it, which is fine. That's on you. I don't know, maybe it's just a set standard to not walk outside with a bonnet because it's something you're supposed to wear in your house. But I mean, it's really like to each its own. I don't really like wearing my bonnet outside, but if I have to, then it is what it is. I'm trying to think if I should go for like a set style or let her freestyle. I usually let her freestyle, but I don't want too much lashes. So I want it to look like, remember last time I got my lashes done, which was in February, it was late night. Y'all really didn't see until the next morning, which was my birthday. Oh, this the party right here. They put these in our cars last night. YNJ, April 8th, 11 p.m. Mosh Pit 2K23. It's not a concert, it's a party. Everyone free before 12 a.m. with RSVP. We finna be outside. Y'all will see me in the next clip when I have my lashes. I wanted y'all to see what I look like in 4K. Like, I literally just walked out crying. Well, I'm not crying, but my eyes are like, because her fan had broke. Well, it died. It didn't broke. It didn't break. Oh my God. I'm so happy. That's just look at the time. She's really the fucking GOAT. How do you do lashes that fast? Wipe away my little fake tears. I am going to go back home because I need to finish taking this out before I go to the nail salon. I just feel like if you don't have a fan and you get your eyelashes done, you are a gangster. What y'all think? Y'all like them or no? Y'all think they too much? Too dramatic? I like them. I think they're cute.
1 hour later.
I'm finally done with my hair. I can't say no. Ponytail activated. Ponytail and hat is activated. When I have this hat on, you know my hair not done or I don't want to do my edges. Period, point blank. That's exactly what this hat is for. That's the purpose of this hat. Or the other one that's blue. Whenever I wear my Bass Pro hats, just know my hair not done. Eyebrows are done. They eat. I like them. So if the party started at 11, I got 4 hours to do my hair.
Later that night.
I just threw a wig back on that I already had. Only because I waited last minute to decide if I was going to keep my hair in or not. No part. It's a no part style, but it's giving side part. It's definitely giving. If I'm echoing, it's because I got the door closed. Oh my God. Okay, I'm trying to button up my pants. I'm struggling right now. We changed parties, which means we don't know if this party's gonna be lit. So if it's not lit, we're going home. Mid ones? I don't know. But yeah, I'm wearing this with my ones. This is what I look like now, guys. I'll be back. I was tired as fuck tweaking. It's 3:03 in the morning. I'm listening to Lil Yachty Holster. That song go hard. Like, that song go hard every time. Okay, tonight's quote. In my words, flaws and all, you are still beautiful. Period. If you don't have the perfect lace, the perfect walk, the perfect talk, the perfect attitude, flaws and all, somebody will like you. And I stand on that. Regardless of who you are and what you do, somebody out there will love you for you. Period. Y'all heard that? Don't quote me on it now, because I don't think nobody ever said that just like that. I rhymes for real. But no, I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. I had a good night. Night.
I'll be your role model.